Hello children, now first class mathematics. Take out your textbook children, take your textbook and pencil. Okay, now 14th chapter children. So all members complete up to date homework children, complete it, write neatly, do properly children. Now 14th chapter, what is our chapter? Numbers before, between, after. See number spelling. Numbers, numbers, 14th chapter. Numbers, numbers, before, before, between, between, after, after. Numbers before, between, after. In previous class too we are learning this. Yes children, now page number 118. Their exercise problems is there children. In previous class too what we learning? Previous numbers. So previous numbers. 44 previous number is what children? 43. So 94 previous number? 93. 30 previous number? 29. 87. Next number? 88. 46 next number? 47. Like that we are learning. Okay. You learn this. So now write the middle number. So see bit children, page number 118. See bit. What is this number children? 29. Say 29 spelling. TWNTY 20 NINE 9. 29. Here 31. 1 in 1's place. 3 in 10's place. 31. 31 spelling. THIRTY 30. ONE 31. 29 and 31. Between number is what children? 29 and 31. Between number. See children, in page number 113 too, we already writing that numbers 1 to 100. So here, what question here asking children? 29 and 31. 29 and 31 between number is what? So middle number. Middle number means between. Between number. BETWEEN. Between. NUMBER. Number. So between number or middle number is the same. So middle number only. 29 and 31. Middle number 29. We are having 29 and 31. So in middle number is 30. So 30. 30. Say 30 spelling children. THIRTY 30. See here. 25, 27. 25 and 27. See here. 5 ones, 2 tens. So the number is 25. 25 spelling. TWNTY 20. FIVE 5. 25. TWNTY 20. SEVEN 7. 27. 25 and 27. Between number. Between number is what children? 25 and 27. 25 and 27 between number. 25 and 27 between number. 25, 27. See children. 25, 27. Middle number is what here? 26. 26 is the middle number. So we are writing here 26. 2 10, 6 ones, 26. See here 49 and 51. 49 and 51 between number. Middle number is what? 49, 51. Middle number 50. So 50 spelling FIFTY 50. 50 spelling FIFTY. Next here 70, 72. 70 spelling children SEVENTY. 70. Here 72 only. SEVENTY 70 TWO2 72. 70 and 72 middle number is what children? See here 70 and 72 middle number is 71. So always don't see like that. So you learn these numbers and write, okay. So debate children, look at the numbers in the middle box. Write the number before and after it. See here giving middle numbers. So you write before number and after number. Before and after. Before means previous number. After means next number. Okay. See here 63. 63 before number. 6 tens. 3. 3 before number 2 only. 62. 64. 3 after number 4. 64. 62, 63, 64. See here 89 is given. 89 before number 88. 18 tens, 18 ones. So 9 before 8. So after number, so 89 is the big number only. After number in 8 tens to having no. So 9 tens. 9 tens. 90. So 88, 89, 90. 88, 89, 90. 88, 89, 90. Next one. Draw circle around the smaller of the two numbers given. So draw the circle. Small number 2. So which number is small? That number 2 you keep circle children. See here, what is this? 69. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? 9 ones and 6 tens. So the number is 69. Here, 6 ones, 3 tens, 36. 69, 36. Which number is big? So which number is having more tens? That number only big here. So which number having more tens? This number. This number is big. Which number having less tens? That number only smaller. So what writing here? Draw the circle around the smaller of the two numbers given. So this number to circle it. Here also same. Check it children. See here 34 and 94. 34, 94. Here 4 in ones. Same number only in ones place. So now you check it tens place number children. Here 9, here 3. Which number is big? Which number is small? 3 only small number. So this is the smaller number. So we keep circle. So are you understand children? See here also. Here 1's place 2, 9. So which one is small? This one only small. So tens place 3 and 5. In tens place number only check it children. First of all, which number is small? That number 2 you keep circle. So here in tens place which number 2 small? Which number small? This number only. 3 only small. So 3 tens only. 32 is small number. Here 85, 81. So I am what saying before problem 2? Which number in tens place 2? Which number is small? That number only small I am saying. So here check it children. In tens place 8, 8. Same equal only. So then what to do? So here 5 ones, here 1 ones. So which one is small in ones place? You check it in ones place number. 1. Check it. Ones place number you check it children. So ones place number here 5, here 1. So which one is small in these two numbers 2? So 1 is the small number. So 81 is the smaller. Are you understand? So here 76, 67. So here two numbers is same, here also two numbers is same. But in places also will different. 7, 6 and 6, 7 only. So first of all check it tens place number. So tens place here 7, here 6. So which one is small in this two? 6 only small. 6 tens means 67 is the small number. Okay, keep circle. See here, tick, write the number which is the bigger of the two numbers given. So which one? So here we are doing the circle the smaller number. So now then doing bigger number. Okay. So 52, 37. See here, tens place number you check it. 3, 5. 5 is big number only. That's why we are keeping right mark. Are you understand? See here, 68, 92. 68, 92. Here 6, here 9. Which one is small, big? 6 tens or 9 tens? 9 tens only big, children. So 92. So here 39 and 31. 39 and 31. So tens place is same only. So now we are checking ones place number 1 and 9. So which one is big here? 9 only big number. So 39 number only big. See here, 76, 67. 76, 67. Same numbers only. Here also same. So in this, which number is? So wait, children. So don't circle it. You keep right mark only. I am forgetting, children. So you keep right mark. Which number is big? That number is to keep right mark. So here 76 or 67. Which number is big? Bigger? 76 only? Yes. Keep right tick. Here 53, 58. 5, 5. Same only. Here 3, 8. Which one is big? 8 is big number. So 58 is big number. So you keep right mark. 41, 64. So tens place number you check it, children. First of all 4, 6. Which number is big number? 6 only. Yes, children. So 6 tens means this is the big number. So you keep right tick. So what we are learning? Write the middle number. And middle number will given after number and before number also we are writing. We are writing the smaller number and bigger number also. So are you understand, children? So remaining the G problem, smallest number and the biggest number, these problems we are explaining the next class. And here also when game also is there, children. So make cards numbers too. One game is there. This also I will explain, children. So those are not completed right now. Complete it. Complete it all of you. So between number, after number, the spellings also write, children. Do practice. So this page completed. This page also. Complete it all of you. The spellings also write, children. Between number, after number, before number. Like that spellings also you do practice.